Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sambal Shazadi. Today, we are going vertical with 20 cylindrical cake ideas that are modern, magical, and made to impress. Let's get inspired. The first one is tall pastel rainbow cakes. Starting with soft pastels, like this rainbow ombre cake is dreamy and perfect for birthdays or baby showers. The next is floral bloom cake. This elegant design features cascading florals, turning a tall cylindrical into a blooming masterpiece. The next is sprinkle confetti tall cake. Let's the celebration begin. Sprinkles all around for this fun and festive tall cake. The next is chocolate drip tower cake. A tall cake with the rich chocolate drips, simple, classy, and irresistible. The next is tall cake with edible crystals. Crystal vibes. This tall beauty shines with edible rocky candy and geode elements. The next is galaxy tall cake. Travel to the stars with this galaxy themed cylindrical cake, perfect for space lovers. The next is botanical green cake, modern and minimalist. A green touch gives this cake a fresh and natural vibes. The next is stripped buttercream cake. Strips never go out of style. This bold design makes a statement meanwhile keeping it clean. Look amazing and stunning. The next is gift box tall cake, the perfect present. This tall cake looks just like a luxury gift box. The next is strawberry cream tall cake, sweet, fruity, and fluffy. A tall, delighty, topped with juicy strawberries. The next is watercolor painted cake. Art meet desserts. This hand painted cake is elegant and perfect for artistic themes. The next is mirror glaze cylindrical cake, shiny and smooth. Mirror glaze on a tall cake takes into a next level. The next is double tied tall cake. Double the height, double the beauty, combines the textures for a truly stunning results. The next is rainbow inside tall cake. Surprise, cut into this tall cake, and reveal colorful layers within. The next is lemon buttercream tall cake. Zesty and bright, lemon colors lovers will adore this cheerful cylindrical cake. The next is abstract art tall cake. Turn your cake into modern art with edgy pattern and abstract designs. The next is icy blue winter cake. Cool and magical, this cake is perfect for winter weddings or frozen themes. The next is luxury defined black and gold combined for a high and modern look. The next is floral vintage cylinder cake. A tall take on vintage delicate piping gives this cake timeless charm. The next is fireworks celebration cake and with a bag, perfect for New Year, birthdays, or big celebrations. Which tall cylindrical cake was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. Gives up a thumbs and don't forget to subscribe to Cakes Factory and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update or amazing idea only on Cakes Factory. For more delicious ideas, stay tuned with us. Stay blessed and happy. Always take care of yourself and your loved ones. Share love because sharing is always caring. See you soon in the next sweet video. Till that, goodbye.